Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essentials. Make sure the target device is on, connected to Wi-Fi or cellular, and that location services are enabled. Next, sign into the matching account, Google, Apple ID, or Microsoft, because tracking ties to that login. Once signed in, open the Find My Device app or the provider's web interface. If the browser or app asks for location permission or two-factor codes, grant and complete them so the service can request a current fix from the device. Once the map loads, refresh the location to get the latest coordinates and check the last seen time and battery indicator. That tells you how reliable the position is. If nearby, hit play sound or ring to pinpoint it audibly. If farther away, request directions from the app and mark a safe zone or lock the device to prevent access. If theft is suspected, enable lost mode and refrain from chasing. Remote wipe is an option when recovery is unlikely to protect data. To finish, secure the device with lock or lost mode and display a contact number. If you intend to retrieve it in person, notify local authorities first. If the device doesn't appear, verify you're signed into the correct account, that location and network access were enabled, and that the battery hasn't died. If still offline, use the last known location, review recent network or account activity, and contact your carrier or manufacturer for advanced recovery options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.